Hey, this is Joe with PreSonus. Another cool feature that we released with Studio One version 6.2 is called Auto Zoom. It's pretty handy. Let me show you. You'll notice there's a new button here on the top of the window. And it looks like this. It actually has a couple different ways that it looks. This is the Auto Zoom button. So we can turn that on. But if you click and hold, you can see there's a couple different modes. There's Auto Zoom vertically, Auto Zoom horizontally, and Auto Zoom full. As of right now, I like the full one the best. So what does Auto Zoom do? It's a really simple feature, but it's really, really handy. So if I turn Auto Zoom on, we can see that I can see everything in my session. So if I zoom, you know how it gets. You zoom way in on a track. Oh my goodness, I've gotten too far in. You zoom super, super close in on a track, and then you want to just get back out to where you were. Auto Zoom zooms us back out perfectly. Now, you may think, Joe, I've seen a feature like that. It was called Zoom Overview. It is similar to Zoom Overview, except check this out. When Auto Zoom is enabled, check out what happens when I open up the plugin window with F7. See, Auto Zoom actually changes the width so I can see everything in my session regardless of where my windows are. If I open up the inspector with F4, if I open up the mixer, it actually does the same thing. This is really handy. There are some DAWs that when you're looking at your mixer, they provide you with this kind of weird little window at the top that gives you an overview of everything that's happening in the mix. So as things are playing along, you can see, oh, we're coming up on that section where over here where those purple tracks are. And you can see it gives you a little like visual, like zoomed out map of where you are. Well, with Auto Zoom, it's now there just by default. You're literally seeing everything. It's just zoomed in to where you need it. And when I close the mixer, it fills the screen just like I want it to. This is really, really fun, and I love the way it works. Now, the way that it works might seem a little confusing at first. With Auto Zoom on, it works the way I'm showing you here, but as soon as we zoom into something, so for example, I've got Shift Option, I think that's a default mapping to this zoom feature. If I want to zoom in on these tracks here, as soon as I zoom in, you'll notice this is no longer activated. Auto Zoom is no longer on because obviously I want to be zoomed into this section now. But when I'm ready to zoom back out, I just have to engage Auto Zoom again. Now, how do we do that? Obviously, we need a key command. Nobody wants to come up here and click this every time. You do have to click to decide which version you want. Horizontal versus vertical, but once you've decided that, then come up to Studio One, the menu, go to Keyboard Shortcuts, and then just search for Auto Zoom. And the toggle Auto Zoom, there's actually, ooh, I didn't know this, there's a key command for each version. So if you want to be able to toggle it differently, we'll talk about the different versions in just a second. This command is not set by default. So what I'm going to do is set this to the letter Z for Zoom. And as you can see, it says, well, this is already assigned to a macro called Zoom Overview. Well, guess what, buddy? This replaces Zoom Overview. I don't need Zoom Overview anymore. This is better. So I assign that, and then I say Apply. And now, when I'm in here zoomed in, I'm off in the weeds, I'm zoomed way, 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 way in. I just press Z and I'm back. And then I decide to open my plugin window and everything adjusts for me. Super cool. Obviously, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I find it to be a really, really cool feature. Now, what if you don't want it to zoom one way or the other for whatever reason? Everybody has a different workflow. Maybe you decide when you open up the mixer, you don't want it to squish down like that. You'd rather it just kind of stay and you can just kind of scroll up here like maybe you normally would. In that case, you'll want to switch to, we have to hold down the button. You'll want to switch to Auto Zoom horizontally. Okay? So now if I press F3, the mixer up here does not move. It doesn't get squashed down. So if I don't want it to get squashed down, I just want it to adjust horizontally, then that's handy. So if I close this, it still adjusts left and right like you'd expect it to do. But when I open my mixer, it doesn't. And then obviously horizontally, it's vice versa. I can't think of a situation where I would want that to happen. I guess if you wanted to be zoomed in on a section, perhaps, I'm not sure. But for me, my money is on Auto Zoom full. And if you want to set key commands for each mode, you can if you want to get real tweaky with it. But for me, Z works just fine. So I come in here, I check out that edit, I move something around, I say, that's it, perfect. I hit Z, I'm back to where I started. I open up Windows. I'm not having to readjust my zoom. It's just right there where I want it to be. Lovely, lovely. If you haven't upgraded to Studio One 6.2, check it out. This one's pretty fun.